as you know that's every creation is depend upon some the certain struggles, and these struggles is done by the some persons to persons. So here we will discuss about the struggles and there's a right directions, how we will struggles, and also what will be the it's a right directions, and how we will get success in right directions and right way. So many path has arises here, and the different path we will try to find out different parts, and we will run on different parts, but generally we are not in such conditions that we can follow it and suitable conditions. So time once last never begins. So always we are inculcating you the times, once follow the times and the rules and regulations, all the rules is required. So whatever you want to do, you have to fix the first, and then after decide that, so you have to do, and you have to finish this video and this work in a given process. If you are not finishing this works and this work, so then change its timings and things that it will be finished, because you have to calculate the times that how many times and you will complete it. This will told you your efficiency, your power, your capacity, that's ability, that's you can finish it in a given period of time. And if you are explaining anything, suppose that you are explaining anything, so you have to create such environments, means that's either positive or negative. Two types of environments is available here, the positive and negatives. Otherwise the third type of the environment is not available here. Environment means that's it's a types of the strategies through which you can explain anything. And if you want to keep the continuous your behaviors, your communications with other persons, then you have to keep yourselves in a positive way, positive directions, and always pronunciate to the next persons, or indicate to the next person, say some things associated with some miracle words, and the journalist using the names of that person, a great personality of this then this being happening here in your lives, and we are waiting for that a long period of time. So that personality we has struggled much and have gained such types of the better knowledge in that areas, and becomes experts and experts, either they may be experts in any walk of life, I mean field of life, so like suppose that either maybe is and that persons would be whatever maybe is, and that then we will consider, we will automatically consider that it will automatically come in your minds that the all words are all words, and the words have a power. So powerful meanings, powerful words and powerful persons comes from the another any another places, another heavenly bodies, but here is they generate, they develop their skills, and after developing their skills, they will gain grounds in those field and work of life. So first of all, so we have to know, we have to create such conditions that so we can explain that one thing. So during the explanations, that will if the newly words created word, the newly oriented word that was as, and that is also you have learned and memorized, it should be some comes in and directly and some directly, so that it can work it's as a miracle. So miracles, because if you have learned that once and it is not comes automatically soon, so whatever if you think and soon will comes, means that if you think are some make sense, or some words, and it's a feeling has comes that words, so it should become some always expert those and those who is expert in this area, and does that area, particularly economics or political point of views, and those what would we say that's for that one person's box, and which types of the persons is this and this. And if we don't understand these one things in a critical way, right way, right conditions, then we cannot understand this, and we cannot success in life. So first of all, we have to create a miracles and explain everything in such a way that it would be a better for you, it will perform certainly a better for you, whatever you are want to say in those period of time. So the word will automatically comes, but you have to indicate in such conditions that other persons thinks it feels good, and your words will think positively, and take the positively. So always be a positives and think a positives, and always remain a positive. So everything things is depending upon it's everything is a work like a miracles, and do each and all the time. So first of all, I will told you that in each and every way, so we have to understood it well, and then after understanding, start it using and use in every work of life. Suppose that you are you are thinking and other things, and you have memorized some things, and doesn't, if you have not used, and suppose that you have quickly memorized and use it in 100% definition markups of life, say there is a lot of environment, a lot of places available, just use it automatically, sir. But it should be yours, it should be a mental means that mentally thinks it's not a mental means another means that if we say anyone's as mental, that will create so negativity. So also mentally means that says it will create a positive lesson. So different value, different tones and builds arises here in our minds, and we have to use. Okay, thank you very much.